Hi, Namaste. This is a plastic. This is a plastic profile light. In this profile light, we use the same like a regular profile. We use this PCB, and we use the two drivers. Difference between the aluminum profile and this profile: aluminum has a high-end heat sink and it gives the more life and more illumination and more wattage also. Coming to here, it gives the maximum of only 36 watt, whereas in aluminum we can go for the 70 watt, up to 70 watt. So here the process is very simple. So there also we use the strips, here also we use the driver, and the difference is there is no difference. Coming to life, aluminum profiles gives more life and the plastic profile gives less life. And here coming to here, clearly generally will not make a plastic housing, but customer has given our requirement to us and he wants to change the old lights into new lights. That's why we are changing, and old light is in white and we are changing this one into cool white. The price wise we get the maximum benefit here. So it may be 300 rupees, we get all the solutions. So come for the good solutions for the LED and get more price for more value for your house or a facility and get less electrical budget for your house. Thank you.